to show you how to copy and paste text on any Android phone. Whether you are sharing funny memes with friends or moving information between the apps, knowing how to copy and paste it is essential. So, step number one. So, let's say you are browsing a website and find a hilarious quote that you want to share. Firstly, find and select the text that you want to copy. It could be a single word, a sentence, or a whole paragraph. So suppose select now step number two is selecting and copying. Now this is where the magic begins. Tap and hold your finger on the text that you want to copy. Suppose I want to copy hello, and you will see that the word or phrase become highlighted. Now refining your selection. If you want to copy a part of text, you can use the little handles that appear at the beginning and the end of this section. Drag them, including exactly what you need. So suppose you want to copy from hello to running the entire paragraph, so you can do this. Now copying the text. Once you are happy with your selection, look for the copy option and pop up that menu appears. It might be the text label or an icon that looks like two sheet of paper. Tap on copy to store the text on your Android clipboard. Tap on copy. Now moving the paste destination. Now let's say you want to paste that code into a text message. So open your WhatsApp or any messaging app, navigate to the conversation where you want to share it. Suppose I want to share it right here. Tap on the text box and type your message. Now pasting the text. Here comes the fun part. Tap and hold your finger in the text box where you want to paste the copied text. Another pop-up menu will appear. Look for the paste option uh, or text label or an icon that looks like clipboard. Tap, paste, and done. The text copied will appear in the message box ready to be sent, and you can just tap on the send button. And that's it. Copying and pasting text on Android is a breeze. Remember, this technique works across all the apps, from all messaging and email to social media to note taking apps. Bonusly, some Android phones, especially those with keyboards, might have a physical copy and paste button on keyboard itself. Play around with the phone feature to see if this shortcut available. Now here is something interesting. Now there is a clipboard option on your smartphone like this. So let me highlight it. This is a clipboard icon. So once you have turned on the clipboard on your device, you would able to see all your copied text here, and you can paste any one of them. So there are some things that I've copied like a week ago. So this is how you can do it.